Hi everyone, your girl Kimm Brown, to give you the confidence by looking your best on and off the camera. So today it's all about facial massage. Facial massage, using different types of facial massage. You want to learn more? So I'm going to begin with prepping my skin and getting it ready for the skincare. So micellar water, it is not to be confused with a cleanser. And micellar water is usually my first step of two cleaning my skin. So it will gently yet effective. There's no rinsing or harsh rubbing required, removes impurities, and it helps break down makeup. And it leaves my skin hydrated. So the next item I'm talking about is our rose quartz roller. It just seems that everyone is talking about the benefits of facial massage. So right now, these massaging methods are all the rage in the skincare world. Whether you're looking for just a little extra self-care or to visibly improve your skin, with the purchase of this TimeWise Repair Advanced Lifting Serum or the TimeWise Replenishing Serum C+E, this cooling tool helps with the product application to make the most out of your facial serum. It's super relaxing, and I feel like I'm getting an at-home spa treatment. So to use the roller, just go ahead and apply your serum, and then use upward and outward motions until your full face is covered. Then take the roller and gently roll outwards across the cheeks, over the forehead, roll up and out, always up and out, from your eyebrows and finally down your chin. This is so relaxing and it's cooling. You saw the TimeWise Repair Eye Renewal Cream. I'm using that under my eyes, and it takes away deep wrinkles. It helps increase the skin moisture around for 12 hours, so morning and evening. It will help and restore. It helps with sagging skin, and it also reduces puffiness. That specific tool that is on there, it has a specific customized application tip, and it's designed to help stimulate your microcirculation, and that is what helps get rid of puffiness. It is such a wonderful product. I like to go back and just kind of use my roller, and I'll go back up underneath my eyes and just kind of roll that puffiness away. When you're done with this, you just take it. I just use my warm washcloth and I very gently just rinse it or just wipe it off, and then I put it away again. I always keep it back in that styrofoam holder that it comes in. I'm not sure why, I just do. I think that way it keeps it cool and it keeps it clean. Now I am going to take the brush off my Skinvigorate Sonic, and I'm going to put my facial head massage on there. And I love this. This massager is known to promote microcirculation and it bringing oxygen and nutrients to the skin. It also will hug your face. You'll see as I'm using this, I can literally turn it left or right, and it will get in and around on your jawbone, your eye sockets, constantly just moves that around. It will deliver more than 24,000 sonic powered micro massages to your face and your neck in a single 2-minute session. 1 minute in the morning, 1 minute at night. It will shut itself off after that 1 minute. Literally, you will notice the difference in your serums because this helps get it deeper into your skin. It is so relaxing and it feels so good. I love to do this specifically when I'm going to bed. It makes me relax. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I would love to hear your comments or your questions. Have a fabulous day. Stay tuned, subscribe,
hit the notification buttons, check the bell for all, and you'll never miss another one of my tutorials or how-tos. See you in a few.